After watching Spider-Man, Brand New Day, I had an idea. What if I made my own Spider-Man car display? Well, I actually did it. Faced with tears of joy, let me show you how. Let's make it. First, I cut a piece of cardboard into a round circle. Then, I applied a layer of white gesso, followed by red paint. Once the paint was dry, I completely covered the cardboard with red yarn using glue. Next, I made the car holders using cardboard and covered them with black pipe cleaners as well. I paste the glue on the yarn and one by one stick the pipe cleaner. Now, I used black pipe cleaners to create a spider web on the red yarn background. Now it was time to put everything together. I created the spider web directly on the red cardboard using black pipe cleaners. Then, I attached the car holders one by one around the web and placed the spider right in the center. And that's it. My Spider-Man inspired car display is finally ready. If you like this craft, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more DIYs. And tell me in the comments, what should I make next? Thanks for watching.